In this video, we are going to discuss about F11 feature in Tally. F11 feature is available on button bar. Either you can select it with mouse click or by pressing F11. This feature can be activated. F11 feature allows to set or modify company feature. It helps to enable and use the feature as per the requirement of company. Company features is divided into four parts: accounting feature, inventory feature, statutory and taxation, add-on features. Let's go through them one by one. Accounting features is divided into seven parts: general, outstanding management, cost of profit center management, invoicing, budget and scenario management, banking feature, other features. Let's start with first part, that is general. To understand this, first you need to understand when we maintain accounts, it can be of two types. In case we are only maintaining accounts, and other option is we are maintaining accounts with inventory. Say for example, if you are doing accounting for any tuition classes, you need not maintain any inventory for that. So you are in option 1. In case if you are doing accounting for any bookstore or electronic shop, you also need to maintain inventory along with accounting. So general feature says maintain accounts only. If you are in option 1, you will select yes, or if you are in option 2, you will select no. As soon as you select no, inventory feature will be activated in Tally. Let me show you this practically. First one, maintaining accounts only. I'll say yes and I'll accept the screen. So you can see in masters there is only accounts info. Now if I'll change it to no, maintain accounts only, no, that means I want to say that I am maintaining inventory also. Now if you'll see here, inventory feature is activated. Integrated accounts with inventory will be activated only if the previous field is selected no. Integrated accounting and inventory, if enabled, will help in updating inventory as soon as the accounting entry is passed. As you can see in gateway of Tally, here profit and loss account is displayed. If I am maintaining accounts for not-for-profit organization, they don't use profit and loss account statement word. Instead of that, they use income and expenditure. So if I want income and expenditure word to be here, I can change it from F11 feature, accounting feature. You have to say use income and expenditure instead of profit and loss account. Yes. I'll accept the screen. See, now it is changed to income and expense account. If I am maintaining books of any company in Indian rupees and I am having a subsidiary which is in foreign, I also want to maintain the records in foreign currency for those transactions. So I'll have to create the currencies. Creation part is done from masters. I'll go to accounts info. Here I don't have the option to introduce new currencies. So I'll go to features, accounting feature. Fourth one, enable multi-currency. I'll select yes. I'll accept the screen. Now, as you can see here, currencies is now displayed here. I'll enter it. I can create any currency symbol. If you want to create dollar, formal name, number of decimal places if you need, you will put. If you don't want, put 0, inverts 0, accept, escape. Now if we'll go to display, there are two currencies, rupees and dollar. This is how you can create currency details. This is rate of exchange column. Here you have to feed the exchange rate for that currency, which will help you in accounting. Now we come to second part, outstanding management. Maintain bill-wise detail. To understand this, I'll show you example. If I'm in account info, creating a ledger for a particular data account. Say for example, Ultra Tech Limited. Now I'll select sundry data. Here you don't see anything like maintain bill-wise detail because that is not activated. If I want that field, I'll activate from F11 feature. Set this to yes. Now you will see here option of maintain balance bill by bill. This is no. If we'll select yes, this all details you can feed in. So to get this feature activated, you need to activate it from F11 feature from here. If you want to maintain accounts for non-trading ledgers, then you have to activate option bill-wise bill detail for non-trading account to yes. Using this option, you can maintain other accounts such as staff loan, loan and advances, bank OD account, loan receivable, all such other account you can maintain bill by bill detail. Next is activate interest calculation. When we talk about interest, it is related to loan. Say for example, I am creating a loan account. Loan. Here I don't see any option for interest calculation. To activate this feature, I'll have to activate it from here. I'll enable this feature to yes. Now if you'll notice, here is a tab for activate interest calculation. Set it yes. Give the required details. All the necessary inputs you want to feed. Say for example, my loan is for 50,000. I set the parameters for that. Now this will be displayed in statement of account interest calculation. This interest is payable. I'll set date. Now Tally has automatically calculated the interest up to 31st December. Next is use advanced parameter. Advanced parameter are nothing but the additional information regarding that loan, as you can see here. Third part is cost profit center management. In that, first is maintain payroll. Payroll is nothing but a list of employee of that company which are paid salary, bonus and all other compensation. So if you go to gateway of Tally, you don't see any payroll creation here. To activate that, you'll have to enable this option. Now you'll see payroll information here. You can feed in all the required details you want to maintain the payroll along with accounting. Cost center feature can be activated from here. What is cost center? Cost center is a department within an organization that does not directly add to profit but still cost the organization. Cost center only contribute to company's profitability indirectly. We will be covering this feature in detail in my upcoming video. To enable use of invoicing, credit note or debit note, you need to set these options to yes. Once this is done, this feature will be activated on your button bar and you can easily use it while accounting vouchers. Budgets and scenario management. Budgeting helps a company to keep a track of how much money it has, allocation of those funds. It also helps the company to keep a track of its expenditure and use of its fund effectively. To enable this feature, you need to set this option as yes. I will be covering budget in detail in upcoming video. Next is banking feature. Printing of check is also possible in Tally. You need to activate the feature from here. Now I will create a bank account. Bank account. Here you can feed all the required details. Set checkbook. Yes. You can feed the details here. Printing check configuration. You have to feed here all the details of check. Width of check, height of check, and each and every particulars in check. This will help you printing of check directly in Tally. Inventory feature will be covered in upcoming video along with creation of inventory and inventory transaction. Tally support various tax applicable in India. The statutory and taxation feature are related to country specific and depends upon the country you have selected at the time of creation of company in Tally. There are various fields in this window which you have to set according to your requirement.